Welcome. Thank you for joining me. My name is Alex. Please subscribe. I post daily yoga videos. This will be a short flow that will help you to increase your overall flexibility. I will focus a little bit more on the hips. No props needed. Beginner friendly. All levels are welcome though. Let's begin in a child's pose. Big toes together, the knees are apart. Walk your hands forward, out and away from you. On an exhale, bring your forehead down to the mat. Shift your focus to the quality of each breath. Bring yourself to the present moment. Arrive. Do your best to breathe in and out through the nose. Walk your hands in. We're going to thread the needle here. Place your left hand down. Right hand arm is going to reach underneath the left, palm up. Make a fist with your left hand and place your forehead on top. Use the breath and feel as the lungs expand that they press into the shoulders and make this stretch feel so much better, more intense, more natural. Switch sides. Press into your left hand to lift up. Walk your right hand forward. Palm up underneath with the left hand. Bring your forehead down. This inhale. This exhale. Release, press up to a tabletop position. Bring your knees underneath the hips. Hands are going to be shoulder width. Let's do one cat-cow. Inhale, arch the back, look straight ahead. Exhale as you pull in the core and round the spine. Neutral, somewhere in the middle. Lift your right leg back and up, just hip height. Bend the right knee 90 degrees and draw some circles with the knee out, down, and around. Let the elbows stay soft so that the torso doesn't have to move too much. And tabletop, one cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Exhale to round. Neutral, left side. Lift your left leg up just about hip height. And then bend the knee. And then circles to the left, in, back, and around. Smooth out the breath. Stay present. Tabletop. Once more, cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Exhale to round. Find somewhere in the middle. Tuck the toes and press back to a downward facing dog. Pedal it out. Bend one knee at a time as you press the opposite heel down. Feet are about hip width, hands are shoulder width. Weight is in the front part of your hand, so underneath the knuckles or the top of your palm. That'll make your wrists feel a little bit better. All right, walk your feet to the top of the mat and soften the knees as you relax over the legs, getting into the entire back body. Press to stand. Stand up tall, bring your palms to touch at heart center. Connect to the present moment. Inhale, reach your arms wide and overhead. Lift up, breathe in a little extra at the top. Exhale, forward fold, bend the knees so that the body can relax as much as it needs to. Place your hands on the mat, right foot steps back to a lunge, left knee over the left ankle, tall on the toes of the back foot. You'll feel a stretch through the toes, the ball of the foot. Inhale, lower the right knee, draw the shoulders back, gaze is level. Breathe. Notice how a deep breath in presses into the stomach, the hip flexor. Untuck the back toes, the back foot, and sit all the way back into sunshine, a half split. Sit on the right heel, sit inside. You can also place a pillow or a block under the left sit bone. Reach up with both hands. And forward fold over your left leg. Sole of the foot faces away from you. Lengthen out each breath. Relax your expression and bring your thoughts back to the present moment. Begin to sit up and press your weight forward. We're in a kneeling lunge. Lean on the right hand. Place the left hand on top of the left knee and press for a middle upper back twist. Release. Left hand back to the mat. Tuck the right toes. And lift the knee, step up to a forward fold. Soften over the legs. Knees are soft until we get more balanced out. Round up to standing. Inhale, arms above the head. Bring the palms to touch. Lift up, look at your hands, and breathe in again. Exhale, forward fold. Soft knees. Step left foot back. Lunge. Set this up. Give it time. Even if you know what's happening next, let me do the thinking. You stay present. Lower the left knee. Feel your left hip flexor. Hip flexors. Smooth out each breath. Press back to half split. Repeat on this side whatever you did on the first side. Yay, sun again. Inhale, lift up and forward fold over the right leg. Gratitude for the present moment. Let's sit up, back to our kneeling lunge. Lean on the left hand and let's twist to the right. Right hand on top of the right knee. Keep the back foot top down. Bring your right hand back to the mat. Tuck the left toes and lift the knee and press to the top of the mat. Forward fold over both legs. Let yourself reach and lengthen this time. Bend the knees and round up to standing. Inhale, arms overhead. Inhale again, look up at your hands. And forward fold, long exhale. Bend the knees, sit all the way down, scoot back a little bit, and bring the soles of your feet to touch. Knees are apart. Hold on to the outsides of your feet. Shoulders down. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Over your butterfly legs. Sit up. Extend your legs out in front of you. The knees do not have to be completely straight. On an inhale, lift your arms overhead. Reach your arms up. On a forward bend, forward fold. Oh, this feels good. I'm getting into it. Long exhale over the legs. Sit back up. Place the soles of your feet on the mat, reverse tabletop. Your feet are about hip width. Try not to let the knees splay. Hands behind you. Fingers pointing toward the heels. Press and lift. Let the head go back if that's okay with your neck. Breathe. A little bit higher. Sit down. Try to make a right angle with your body. Once more, reach your arms above your head and forward fold over both legs. Sit up. Turn to face the long edge of your mat. Right leg out, left foot in. Make sure both sit bones are even on the mat. Left arm up and over, side body stretch. Try not to lean forward. You want to feel this in the side body. Sit up. Lean on to your left hand, your left knee, the right foot, and baby wild thing. Press your hips forward. Lean back. And sit down, switch out the legs, right foot in, left leg out. Give yourself a moment to sit up tall. And then right arm up and over, side body stretch. Lift up, baby wild thing. Lean on the right hand. Lift, reach, lean. All the movements. And sit back down. Bring your left foot in. Sit any way that's comfortable as long as you are sitting up straight. Bring your palms to touch. On an inhale, lift your arms above the head. Twist to the right. As you float your hands down, right hand behind you, press onto your fingertips of the right hand so that you are sitting up tall. Pull with the left hand. Breathe. Release through center, arms wide and overhead. Keep that length as we twist to the left. And closing breath through center, reach your arms wide, up, overhead. Breathe in a little extra at the top. Long exhale, lower your hands down. Have gratitude for your practice. I am so grateful for your presence. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you in my next video. Namaste. I'm walking in the spider webs. Leave a message and I'll call you back. Leave a message and I'll call you back. Oh, it's all your fault. No matter who calls, I gotta scream my phone call. Caesar. Meow.